Hi, this is John Falt with Senior Enrollment Solutions. We are having our upcoming workshop number 2, August 28th, 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. During this workshop, we'll discuss how to market yourself during these COVID times and how to prepare yourself for this upcoming annual enrollment period. We'll also discuss telephonic sales, which carriers offer, which carriers don't, which carriers require an email address at this time. Now, times are changing quickly, but we'll also discuss with you how to collect or take a telephonic signature over the phone and assist your consumers and assist your community without having to leave the comfort of your own home or to visit with any of these consumers, which frankly may not wish to visit with you. So join us August 28th for Workshop 2. If you missed Workshop 1, don't worry about it. It's in the description down below. Phone us if you have any questions at 248-270-9577. To register for Workshop 2, click the link in the description below. Door prizes, giveaways, mailer drops. We can't wait to see you on August 28th.